How we doing? How we doing? Today is Thursday, November the 7th, 2024. Still in the real estate tapping with you for today. So it looks like interest rates are going up. Again, that is closely related to the 10-year yield. That seems to be going up. Looks like people think that, in the long run, the economy, might be better. So it's causing mortgage interest rates to increase now. So it's going to be interesting to see how that affects pricing. If we still see pricing staying elevated, to me, that can only mean one thing, that, the wealthy or people that are, buying homes in a certain price range are keeping the overall purchase price of homes up. You would think that with rising mortgage rates, that the purchase price or the sales price will start to come down. So if we don't see that, that just means that people, in that upper tier are able to buy homes, and that would mean probably less of middle, quote unquote, middle class people, first time home buyers are probably not in the market. So that's what, it looks like to me, that if we don't see some type of drop in that sales price, that could be, a little alarming. It just means that the wealthier, are purchasing homes, and, buying second homes and things of that nature. So the multifamily space, is taking a hit right now. It looks like the rental rates are flattening out, not growing as they once were. So with expenses and things like that going up, a lot of these multifamily deals do not, pencil out. So investors in the multifamily space might be looking to, either sell their particular property or pull money out of multifamily syndications and move it somewhere else. Definitely think that real estate notes is a place that, you would want to look at if you are in, multifamily investor. A lot of supply is going to be coming on the market, and, people that are involved in, that side of it may see some, may not get the returns that they're looking for. Right now, just multifamily is just going through a transition along with the rest of the commercial. So look at real estate notes as an option. If anybody out there, a fix and flipper too, if you're a fix and flipper, maybe you're not moving the flip like you thought you were, maybe it's staying on the market a little bit longer. You would want to look at offering seller financing, creating a note to then be able to exit your deal. You may not be able to get all of the upfront cash that you're looking for, but there is a way that you can get some cash up front and then make more money on the back end. So if you have a $30,000 or $50,000 flip that you're looking at, maybe they can get, maybe $15,000, something like that up front, and then be able to make a substantial more amount of money, in the future on the deal. So, you can definitely, maybe do more of these. Maybe you get more of the, $15,000, $20,000 money up front, and then you get a lot more money on the back end. Instead of making $50,000 that you were thinking on it, maybe you can make $100,000, $125,000, over the course of time, but still be able to get some money up front. Maybe you want to look at that. This may be something for somebody who does multiple flips, does a number of them each year. Maybe out of the 10 that you do in a year, or the 5 that you do in a year, maybe you take one and do this particular strategy, where you still get money up front, but you get a lot more money on the back end, and you can also possibly collect, a monthly check as well. So just something to think about and look into. If you're interested, my information is attached. You can always reach out to me and we can run some numbers for you. Okay. All right, everyone. Have a good one, and we'll talk to you soon.